I'm Yumi. I'm a Los Angeles flower arrangement teacher. Today, I'm teaching you how to make a gorgeous flower arrangement under $25. I bought the material from Trader Joe's under the $25, but actually today I did for the $23.10. When using a tall vase, it's important to create a base. For my base, I'm using for the gladiolas first. Important is that you have to cut in for the angle 45. So then put in crossing each other. Next I'm using this green because you can see we have a little some hole or not doesn't want to show area. This is just the cover to use. Finish for the green. Now I'm putting a hydrangea. This is the main flower. The last, I'm putting for the coffee bean. This is the accent for this arrangement. I finished this tall vase arrangement. Is that the gorgeous? Only $23. I make like this. So you can do this too. Please try.